How to write off business dinner in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to write off business dinner in TurboTax, you first of all want to gather the required information such as date of the dinner, amount spent, business purpose of the dinner, and who attended. Now you want to open up TurboTax. Now open your TurboTax return. From here, you want to select the option of deductions and credits. Here, click on the Other Common Business Expenses option. Now select Meals and Entertainment. Now you want to input the total amount spent on business meals for the year. If you are entering multiple meals, combine them into a total. TurboTax will prompt you to provide details to confirm the expense qualifies as business write-off. Now you want to apply the deduction rules. You have to ensure that the expense meet the IRS requirements. Now you want to review all the details that you have entered. After this, you can proceed to finalize your tax return. For more information, you can go through the TurboTax article of Taking Business Tax Deduction. Here you can check out all the requirements that will qualify you for a tax deduction. Here it says that you may deduct only 50% of the cost of business meal, except that in 2021 and 2022, you can deduct 100% of the cost of qualified business meals provided by a restaurant. For 2023 and onward, the limit is back to 50%. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.